Hello, all judges and staff. My name is Nikhil,
And my name is Vinay.
and this is CarChat, the solution to energy and sustainability problems. So first, some background. What is this problem? So as a brief introduction, global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average temperature due to human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases. Its impacts on society include rising sea levels, extreme weather events, disruption of ecosystems, and threats to the economy.
So here are just a couple of charts on CO2 emissions by different types of cars and different types of traveling, such as domestic flight and travel.
So another rising issue is car dealerships. All they want is your money. They don't care about how eco-friendly their cars are, and they're a big issue in this space. So next is the solution. How do we solve this problem?
So what we did was create an AI chatbot that recommends cars within your price range that are eco-friendly and sustainable. They're also able to provide more information about cars, such as carbon footprint and more, and the problem of global warming. Like we mentioned earlier, car dealerships won't mention their car's impact on the ecosystem. They just want your money. And it also generates media of the cars you're interested in.
So some technologies that we use to build this app, for the front end / UI, we use Next.js, React.js, CSS, TypeScript, and Axios for API calls. And then the backend / AI part, we use Node.js, various REST APIs, and numerous AI technologies. So it's time for a live demo.
All right, so as we can see, we're greeted with the landing page with a nice typing animation and a car animation. And we also see this toggle here for light theme and dark theme. So we can toggle back and forth. For the purpose of the demo, I'll just stay in dark theme. So here we can talk to an AI chatbot. So there's no login page, it's just a quick and easy, simple button. So when we press on this button, we see there are a bunch of tabs at the top. And the first tab is recommend car. So here I can see all the different types of cars in this list here, sorted in ascending order by price. So as we scroll down, we get more expensive cars. So instead of scrolling down to see what type of car I want, I can just search for the car. So for example, if I wanted to see a Toyota Prius, I can search for a Toyota Prius and see that there are different models of the Toyota Prius here. And instead of searching for the name itself, we can just search for the type of car. So say if I wanted an electric car, for example, we can search for an electric car here, and we're greeted with different types of electric cars here. And also, if I wanted to learn more about a car, for example, so say if I wanted to learn more about a Tesla, we see the see more button here. So if we click on this, we're redirected to the Tesla's website.
Our next tab is the learn feature, and this is the AI chatbot in full display. So this chatbot, or the learn feature, is made to learn more about the issue this chatbot serves to solve and more about cars that you're interested in. So for example, let's say I want to know what colors the Toyota Prius comes in. When we send that, we can see that there's a nice typing animation for the chatbot indicating that it's fetching data. And we can see that it responds, saying that the Toyota Prius comes in a variety of colors, including these. So now let's say I want to learn where I can get a Toyota Prius. So let's say, where can I find a Toyota Prius in San Ramon? We can see that the chatbot is typing once more. And if we give it a second, we can see that it gives us several options to where we can buy a Toyota Prius, including the Toyota stores in San Ramon and online. So let's say I want to learn more about global warming, like exactly what this chatbot tries to solve. So let's say, can you summarize global warming for me? You can see that's typing once more. And we can see that it gives us a pretty brief summary of global warming. So the last tab in this app is the Show Media tab. This tab is meant to show more pictures or videos of the car that you're interested in. So for example, let's say I want to see some pictures of a Toyota Prius, we can see several pictures of Toyota Prius will start to load. And yeah, but this chatbot doesn't only include pictures, it can also include video. So if we click this button here, we can see that it shifted to a play button, which indicates that it's a video. So now I can type in, let's just say I want to see some Toyota commercials. I'm kind of getting inspired to buy a Toyota car. We can see that several videos will load on this page, and I can enter full screen, click play, and we can see that I can see a Toyota commercial.
All right, so next up is what's next. What more can we add to this project? So plans for the future, we plan on deploying it on the web for customers to use, and we also plan on developing a mobile app to make accessibility easier for users. So we're going to use similar technologies on the mobile app as the website, but it's going to be on mobile instead. And we're going to be working with various car companies to help the user experience become better, such as Toyota, Honda, Tesla, and more. And we're going to also add more cars to our recommendations. And we're going to train our AI chatbot even further and give it more capabilities.
See, there's just the resources that we use for research. And yeah, thanks for listening. Do you guys have any questions?